Where can I get small business tax forms? Great idea, and there's a bunch of different places to go. Now, the best place is right here at mahalodotcom. We've got lots of resources here. We're recording all of these question and answers we have today. These are going to be available for you to ask over and over again. So write down mahalodotcom, and when you got a tax question, come back right here. We've got lots of forms, Schedule C, Schedule SE, lots of different forms available right here on the website. Another great place is the IRS. I'm going to go back to the IRS homepage here. If you did start your small business, the number one form you're going to use more than any others probably is going to be the Schedule C. That's the basic form where you include all the income and expenses related to your small business. You can see it's right here on the very top one if you just search on Schedule C. This is a very common form. You may have seen this before. If this is your first year, the form is relatively easy. At the top you've got information on the business. Part 1 is the money that you made. Part 2 are the expenses you incurred. Even go through each one of these. There's pretty detailed instructions that go along with this form, so you can go line by line and see exactly what's included on what line. And then this Schedule C is also attached straight to your personal tax return. So there's no new tax return per se to account for the income and expenses for your small business. These are just attached to your personal return. Another form that is most likely going to be one that you're going to need is a Schedule SE. And that's how you pay self-employment tax with the income related to your small business. If you made at least $400 from your small business in 2010, and that's net income after expenses, then you're going to need to complete this Form SE also. There's a real short form that's really easy to calculate, and then there's a longer form. But they give you a couple of options, and again, lots of information right on the IRS website and here at mahalodotcom. A couple of the other forms you might need a Form 4562, which is for depreciation. If you bought a computer, that's a great form that you might need to use. Another thing is the home office deduction, Form 8829. If you have a space in your home that you use for business, that's the form to use to account for that deduction. Again, lots of forms out there, but when you need small business forms, mahalodotcom is a place to go.